Hi,
Hi.
how are you?
Excellent. Chetna, right?
Right, I'm Chetna. How are you, Adnan?
I'm doing all right. I'm doing okay.
Okay.
Sorry, this is
So
my first time. So can you hear me clearly? Is everything all right? The video
I can, yeah, I can hear
and the
you, and
audio
I
is
can see
good.
you also. It's not blur. It's fine.
So how are you?
I'm good. I'm good. I'm at home and working from home actually.
Congratulations. मैं आपको सच बोलूं, I am not working at all. Like I'm working on all the things that I love working on. And this is, by the way, the
Okay.
first time I'm coming on Instagram Live. I've never come live on Instagram ever. It's just
Oh, that's great. We are so lucky. Thank you so
no,
much.
no, 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 no. It's honestly, you want to know the truth. The truth is that the fans have been बहुत time से बोल रहे हैं आने को live.
Hmm.
But I never
Hmm.
generally I never go live. So yesterday I was like, if I don't like something, I won't do it. Right? That's my belief. अगर मुझे कुछ नहीं पसंद है, I don't care if the world says something or not.
Uh-huh.
But then I realized that these
Uh-huh.
are the very same people that have really, 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 really supported us. They got us
Hmm.
trending on Twitter so many times. फिर, birthdays are so special because of these people. I said, okay, दिल पे पत्थर रख के मैं ये काम करूँगा. Yeah, I'm feeling so. You have no idea. I was nervous. इससे पहले I was very nervous. Like before coming on, मैं stream कर रहा हूँ, मैं ये कर रहा हूँ. Yeah, that's it.
How cute is that? Oh my God. But इसका पीछे रीजन क्या है कि आप फैन से डायरेक्टली चैट नहीं करना चाहते, लाइव आना नहीं चाहते? बट व्हाई? इज देयर एनी पर्टिकुलर रीजन?
No. I love chatting with them.
हम्म.
I don't like coming live. If you want to know the truth, अगर आपको सच्चाई जानना है ना,
बिल्कुल.
uh, getting dressed is work for me. This is the most stressed I've been. I swear to God, this is the most stressed I've been in this entire 1 month. I just really. आपको सच बोलूं, see, you know TV people, right? You've worked with
ऑफ
them.
कोर्स.
हम लोग को time मिलता नहीं. So the
राइट.
past 3 years for me has been where I've not been. I didn't know who I was anymore. So this 1 month, month and a half has been where it's just me. I'm doing
ओके.
everything I love without questioning. Like I'm gaming. I haven't gamed in 10 years. I used to be a gamer when I was in school.
ओह.
I've started gaming again. I'm watching movies, all kinds of movies. जो दिल की इच्छा है ना, it's so weird because when do like even you, okay, now you're working, obviously आपके लिए बात अलग है, लेकिन
जी.
for me the last time when I could just rewatch a movie because I felt like it was never. बहुत time हो गया. आजकल time नहीं रहता, कितना content है Netflix. But now if my heart says I want to watch Lord of the Rings, I'm watching Lord of the Rings again. I want to watch Avengers again. I'm doing everything I like. So it's just been a very मेरे लिए vacation चल रहा है.
अच्छा.
दुनिया में बहुत सारी चीजें हो रही है. But yeah, I'm really enjoying this me time. I love the solace.
बट आई टेल यू दैट्स ग्रेट बिकॉज लोग घर में बैठ के बोर हो रहे हैं और बहुत स्ट्रेस ले रहे हैं. जो बाहर से जो न्यूज आ रहा है ना, उससे बहुत स्ट्रेस ले रहे
Yeah,
हैं.
thank
सो
you.
इट्स
I
सो
understand.
गुड. yeah, it's so good that you are at least enjoying, not taking so much stress कि क्या हो रहा है बाहर. इट्स ओके. जो होना है वो सब लोग कंट्रोल करने का ट्राई कर रहे हैं. बट द बेस्ट थिंग इज कि सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग, घर पे रहिए और घर पे रह के एटलीस्ट खुश रहिए, काम करिए,
Yeah,
स्ट्रेस मत
I
लीजिए. दैट्स
see.
द बेस्ट थिंग.
मैं आपको सच बोलूं, I don't know you personally. I don't know आपका रूटीन क्या है. पर मैं आपको एक जनरली चीज बोलता हूँ जितना मेरा मानना है. तो क्या हुआ,
जी.
ये लॉकडाउन शुरू हुआ and I got very excited because for the first time in my life I felt lucky. I'm being very honest with you. I felt very lucky that today when this lockdown happened, I'm a little more prepared than the rest of the world in terms of a lot of things like work. मुझे पता है when this gets over, there is a show there. There is my work, my job waiting for me. In terms of finances, Alhamdulillah, by the grace of God, I'm doing all right. I felt lucky, which is weird. I know I shouldn't be saying this to you at such a terrible time. But आप देखिए, मैं आपको बोल रहा हूँ, I don't have time. You know that? I literally don't have time. I wake up in the morning. The first 3 hours spends in cleaning the house. After that, I work out at home for 2 hours. Then I write for 2 hours, and then I do acting exercises for an hour, and then I watch movies for 4 hours. trust me, I don't have time.
But that's great.
Yeah, I know, and I'm feeling so happy कि I'm doing creative work. Like I like writing every day, so I know मैं कुछ कर रहा हूँ. Workout भी मेरा रोज जा रहा है. Acting पे भी थोड़ा बहुत ध्यान दे रहा हूँ मैं. And I love watching movies. I love watching movies. Like more. I know everyone says it, but trust me, I love. So this is for me a complete. Yeah, it's good. There's no frustration, none at all. It's just a lot of relaxation, enjoyment. I'm meditating again. I'm going for walks. आपको पता है मैंने जिंदगी में कभी ये नहीं किया. I went for a walk after dinner. I had dinner and I said I feel like going for a walk, man. And I'm walking. I'm just walking, and it felt lovely because I was not in a rush for the first time. So yeah, I'm kind of enjoying. But to answer your question, I chat with everybody. But coming live is no, definite no. That's why I'm not even looking down at the question. मैं देख ही नहीं रहा हूँ. मैंने उनको साफ-साफ बोला मैं आ रहा हूँ और उससे ज़्यादा नहीं कर पाऊँगा.
Neetu लोग बोल रहे हैं you are looking so cute, hi handsome, hi Adnan, and many other things. You are the best. You are this, that. You know how they
I'm
are.
telling you, मेरी विजन आपकी आंखों पे ही है. It's right on your eyes. I'm not even going tuck. I'm not even. No, they're amazing. Don't get me wrong. So this is my first daily soap. I've done a comedy show before this, which is on Hotstar.
Yeah.
I've done a channel before, but as a daily soap, as a television drama series, is my first one. So I used to always ask Isha about our fans. I remember in the month of December. This is 2018. Yeah, 2018 December. Me and Isha share the same birthday, exact same birthday, December 24th. So all the fans and cakes, yeah. We got 52 cakes in that month. 52. By the time my actual birthday came about, which was December 24th, both of our birthdays, my unit people said we don't want any more cakes क्योंकि मैं उन लोग को इतना खिला चुका था. रोज आप 52 cakes आ रहे, someone तो everybody they're like we don't want cakes. Imagine unit people are saying that. So I used to always ask Isha, कि fans हम लोग के जो है, is that normal? Like, look, fans are ardent everywhere, हर जगह supportive है, but our fans are the most combined group of people she's ever seen. When I mean combined, I mean there's some very smart, intellectual people, some very talented people. Then you've got the ardent supporters who, no matter what, will support you. So very combined group of people, and it was lovely seeing what they would do for us, you know. So I always chat with them. Till now, I keep chatting, and I explain, I'm sorry, I'm really busy with something. But comedian लोग हैं, सबके सब comedian. छोड़ नहीं, हर एक पूरा live out.
Oh my
God! So weird. I was calling my friends up. I'm like, how do you go live, yaar? What? क्या करना क्या चाहिए? And yeah, I'm so bad with this stuff. Sorry.
No problem. We also learn. सबके लिए नई चीज है. So घर के काम में भी कुछ हेल्प हो रहा है और you have like surroundings जो आपको सब कुछ खाना बन के मिल जाता है, बर्तन धुल के मिल जाता है. Everything is ready for you.
No, not at all. Again, going back to my luck. So what happened was, जब lockdown हुआ, I was sick. I had the same symptoms as corona. So I went to a doctor. He said not corona, it's a severe throat infection. But mom and Khala stay with me. My mom is about 65 years old roughly, and my Khala, who's the elder sister, is about 80. And I love them both to death, obviously. So if you can keep them away for a while. So what I did was, my uncle stays close by. He's not here, he's in Dubai. Excuse me. My uncle stays in Dubai, and his flat is right next door, like about 2 minutes away from me. So what I did was I kept both of them there, and I stayed here. This is a small apartment, but I myself like झाड़ू पोछा मार रहा हूँ. Oh my God, मैं रोज झाड़ू पोछा मारता हूँ. You should see.
You should share some video.
Because I can, but the problem is, so I'll tell you what I do. I work out. I finish my workout, and then I do the jhadu pocha, because workout पूरा घर पे होता है ना, जूते बूते के साथ, तो and sweat, right? So it's getting dirty. The floor is getting dirty. So I do it after that. So problem is I can't upload any videos because I'm only in my shorts, my gym shorts. You know, I'm shirtless. It's really hot. But you should see ऐसा पीठ पे, you know, अभी workout के मस्त हट्टा कट्टा लौंडा, you know, I feel very pumped, biceps pumped, chest pumped, और फिर उधर से झाड़ू मार रहा हूँ. इतना हंसी आती है यार. It's lovely, but I take care of my house myself. I like it. I like keeping the house clean. I like waking up in the morning. साफ चीजें. खाने के लिए मॉम से हेल्प लेता हूँ थोड़ा. नाश्ता मैं खुद कर लेता हूँ. मॉम डिनर 2-3 दिन का बना के देती है. I'm very okay with eating old food. I don't care. Like as long as it's not spoiled, I don't care. तो 3 दिन का खाना मैं चलाते रहता हूँ. I'm simple like that. Yeah.
Okay, I must tell you, इतना honest life अभी तक मैंने नहीं किया है.
No, because मेरे को आप यकीन नहीं मानेंगे. There's a very big there's a very big person at TV, the big news stand, right? वो लोग ने बोले someone called me and she said I'm doing a documentary and I need creative people, and when they're in the creative zone, them taking videos, you know, frustration, emotion, this and that, even like for example working out. मेरा problem क्या है ना, आपको अगर मैं अपना setup दिखाऊंगा ना, it's a very small place, but that's not the problem. When I work out and when I write, put lights off कर दो. Even when I'm working out, can you imagine? There's no lights. It's complete pitch dark. थोड़ी सी light आ रही है बाहर से कहीं पर, mirror पे हल्का सा आपको दिख रहा है, and I get into this really violent zone because I'm the whole day I'm being very lazy. You know, I'm not moving. बहुत कम काम हो रहा है, and then suddenly to go into peak workout condition, so I psych myself up very badly. I abuse myself. I bring out all, you know, bring something out. Once that is pacified, then I go and write. And for my writing process, it's the same thing. मैं अभी जहाँ पर phone रखा है, I sit there. I sit right here. I look out. You can't see much in the night, anyways. But I look out and I put on music. And it's very weird, you know. So I can't share these videos because they're very. Some of them are very personal, really very personal. I abuse a lot. I sometimes end up breaking down. अगर बहुत stress चला दिमाग में, thinking about something that I can't. Sometimes when, you know, बहुत अजीब चीज़ होती है. I'm sure even you know somewhere like when I write and अगर एक दिन नहीं लिख पा रहा हूँ and it's not coming to me, that feeling is not coming to me. Immediately, start. यार, you're not a writer. You're an idiot. वो सब जो लिखा था अच्छा ना, वो गलती. You know, all these things are very very personal. So I can't upload those videos. They'll be funny, dirty, indecent exposure हो जाएगा. Imagine gym की चड्डी में बैठ के झाड़ू पोछा मार रहा हूँ मैं, and all weird angles, and for some reason, all weird parts pain. Like my lower thigh, just above my knee, just above my knee, that part pains when I'm like bending over and doing झाड़ू पोछा. I don't understand why. मैं इतना squat मारता हूँ, शर्म आनी चाहिए मेरे को.
You're not used to of it.
Yeah, I'm definitely not used to. That is, but I like it.
Okay. Wait, tell me, how is your experience of this Ishq Subhan Allah? Because मैंने भी शो देखा है. स्टार्टिंग में तो बहुत अच्छे से देखा था. Then I got busy and उतना टाइम नहीं मिलता है. But yeah, मैंने वो जो ट्रिपल तलाक से स्टार्ट हुआ था. Then आपकी और ज़ारा की जो केमिस्ट्री वगैरह. So how is like मुझे लगता है बहुत प्यार मिला है ऑडियंस का इस शो से, बहुत ज्यादा. So how's your experience?
I didn't know how lucky I was in terms of the people that I was working with. I had no idea that I was that lucky, because what happens is eventually after a point, see Delhi television show में क्या होता है कि because it's 365 days a year, give or take a few days, you're telecasting 5 or 6 days a week some months, you know. So later on, the story does drop a little bit. Things change because you run. Imagine having to write every day creatively. It's very hard. So what happens is that, are you okay? You're coughing, everything is fine? आपका गला कुछ खसका?
No, everything. My son is roaming around. नहीं, मेरा बेटा है जो इधर-उधर घूम रहा है. I'm okay. Just small. Yeah.
You've been talking the whole day about. पूरा दिन आप इंटरव्यू कर रहे थे.
I have two kids, so you can imagine, and I'm working from home.
Why are you working? Tell your boss, listen, buddy. बस ना यार, क्या यार? I completely respect what you guys are doing. I respect the people out there working. So anyways, yeah, going back to the point, yeah, I think it was supremely satisfying work. I've not, man, I remember there were days, I swear, I kid you not, I swear I'm not lying to you. I would be so exhausted. It was it's exhaustion beyond a point where my brain stopped functioning. You know, itna exhausted. But रात में तो नींद आती थी ना. It wasn't like यार क्या कर रहा हूँ इतना थकाऊ. It was like यार आज काम किया. You know, we worked today. Why? Because of the actors I was surrounded with. Because of the writing material that we had. Man, in the start, believe it or not, people from Dubai would call me up on Saturday. Friday पे दिखाया वो ऐसा, Monday पे ऐसा होगा क्या? And this person
Oh my
calling
God.
me is a really educated, has grown up to watching Hollywood. Why are they calling me and so inquisitive about finding out what's happening on Monday with my show? It's a daily show. See, look, there is a certain level of, if I don't lie to you, there is a certain level of, like, I don't want to put it politely, I want to tell you the truth. For the rest of the world, daily show, thoda come for the industry wise, you know, because we don't give much time, we don't get much time to create something, so we don't specialize in things, right? But the director we got, the writer that we had at that point, the actors, my co-star, and the setting was so brilliant, man. I had these people calling up. You know, there was a very lovely incident which happened. Same, मेरे family में basically there's this local man who married my cousin's sister. This local man's side is all Bastakis. They're all locals from UAE, from United Arab Emirates. They're all local people, proper. So there's a long distance. वो local आदमी के बहन का एक बेटा है who can't understand Hindi, who speaks barely any English. He can't understand Hindi. He watched our show every day.
Okay.
A small boy who doesn't understand the language that's being spoken is watching a daily soap for an entire year. Can you believe that? And it just proved my point that emotion transcends language.
That's the connection, like.
You don't need language. अगर आप, मैं mute भी कर दूँगा, and सिर्फ music आपको दिखेगा, and you see these people with the look in their eyes, you see them fight, you see the love, you see the father, you see all that. Yeah, it transcends. And I thought that was a wonderful experience. It was a wonderful experience. Like, yeah, I got to do really
True.
I was very blessed and very happy.
Okay. How do you, like, you are yourself a writer, you write, okay. So कुछ आपका input रहता था scripting में, कुछ उसकी language में, tone में, कुछ आपका input special रहता था?
They used to not like it, yes. The writer used to not like. I improvise a lot. मैं बहुत ज़्यादा improvise करता हूँ, हद से ज़्यादा improvise करता हूँ. So the writer used to not like it because he spends a lot of time and effort in writing his scenes, and he has a certain craft. But my philosophy has always been different. मुझे वो चीजें करने को अच्छा नहीं लगता है जो पहले हो चुकी है. I don't like portraying or doing something in a way that's already done before. So I always have a very different way. So the way I used to speak in the show, or I still do, is a little different from the rest of the people. And that was also partly due to because my grasp on the language is not great. मेरी हिंदी इतनी अच्छी नहीं है. And secondly, I like doing things a little differently. तो ये mixed होके जब मैं dialogues बोलता था ना, मैं बहुत अलग बोलता था. इतना अलग बोलने लगा कि मेरा राइटर रोज फोन कर के डायरेक्टर को बोलता था, tell him not to improvise. Tell him do not improvise. But my director is cool. He was very cool. So he's like, I want to see. I want to see a new way of doing it. And yeah, he told me that. मैं बहुत impressed करता हूँ. मेरी शायरीज शो में यूज की. So I write शायरीज. Not वो rhyming वाली नहीं. But I write शायरीज, yeah, like feeling in Urdu. So एक दो बार यूज हुई है. बहुत बार नहीं यूज हुई है. But मैं सीन में यूज करते जा रहा हूँ. मेरा डायरेक्टर he likes it. You know, it's something different. So yeah, I would. But बहुत problem.
Oh, that's great. ईशा को कितना मिस कर प्रॉब्लम्स हुई है? अच्छा, थोड़ी इनसिक्योरिटी भी फील हुई रहेगी.
Oh, that was terrible, yeah. I understand from his perspective, being a writer, but unfortunately for them, they got an actor who I like doing things a little differently. I have a little different philosophy when it comes to acting and when it comes to a person and personality. तो थोड़े clashes होते थे. मैं हाँ हाँ बोलता हूँ. मैं हमेशा हाँ सर आप जो बोलो मैं improvise नहीं करता. एक हफ्ते improvise नहीं करता. Word to word बोलूँ. उसके बाद because yeah I got into that character. I don't know. Yeah. And ईशा को कितना miss करता हूँ. यार I love working. I absolutely love working. The girl is a great actor. She's a great actor. An amazing professional. It's very hard to find. मैं तेरे को सच बोल रहा हूँ. It's very hard to find such professionals, but she's a wonderful person, an amazing actor who's taught me a lot about the craft itself. So yeah, I do.
Okay, what's new, अदनान? कुछ नया इसके अलावा भी आने वाला है बहुत जल्द, इश्क सुभान अल्लाह के अलावा भी?
देखिए, आई डोंट नो दुनिया मेरे लिए क्या करने वाली है, बट मैं अपने लिए क्या करने वाला हूँ वो मुझे पता है. ये साल का प्लान है. There's 2 music videos that I wanted to direct and a short movie, all written by me. I've already directed 1 music video. Another one, inshallah, short movie also I've written. I'm going to do that. And मेरे script पे काम खत्म करना ये सारा. So plans बहुत है.
Okay.
Unemployment वाले plans इतने सारे ना, मैं आप हंसने लगेंगे. कल रात को मैं एक और म्यूजिक, अभी मेरे साल का लिस्ट बढ़ते जा रहा है. अभी एक और म्यूजिक वीडियो दिमाग में आया कल रात को. और खर्चा बढ़ रहा है. And और चीजें और ऐसा शॉर्ट फिल्म. But yeah, there's a lot of plans. I've got a lot. I have this saying where I say, I'm the busiest unemployed actor you will ever see. I swear to you, I'm not lying. I'm the busiest unemployed actor. ऐसा लगता है कि अगर कोई बाहर से इस तरह से फॉलो कर रहा हूँ, they'll think यार कितना काम कर रहा होगा बंदा यार. कोई काम नहीं है. ये सिर्फ अपने पैशन प्रोजेक्ट्स करने जा रहा हूँ. I love it.
अपने पैशन पूरा करना भी एक काम होता है, वो सबसे बड़ा काम होता है, और अगर किसी ने पूरा कर लिया तो सबसे बड़ी अचीवमेंट होती है.
या uplifting होता है. It's so uplifting. आप यकीन नहीं मानेंगे, अभी recently on Instagram only there's a music video that I made, small one. एक lunch breaks में मेरे को आधा घंटा मिलता है खाने के लिए, so I used to get bored and think what should I do. I created a music video. It's just ऐसी बनाया मैंने, and क्रिएट करने के बाद जो फील आई ना मेरे को कि ये मैंने बनाया. This was a concept in my head. It started out with such a small idea, a whisper in my mind, that maybe you should do this, and you know, like. तो ये भी एक बात है कि the kind of person I am, I'm not a very planned person. I'm not a very, अभी जैसे मैंने कहा, there's a voice in my head. Sorry, it's not a voice, it's a feeling. मेरे दिमाग में ना कुछ clarity कभी नहीं रहती. कभी कोई clarity नहीं रहती. हमेशा feelings रहती है. Like I'll give you an example. How I made this music video and how last night's music video. So there's a song that I like, Sky Full of Stars, Coldplay. It's one of my favorite songs. And for the past 5 years, I used to listen to it alone in the bathroom. Alone, like I'd put on my headset and just jam to it. अकेला मेरे छोटे से बाथरूम में, you would see me playing out the entire song and I'm dancing and I'm pointing and I'm interacting. Like that's the feeling I would get. And yeah, I said I need to do something with this. This feeling is not. मैं force नहीं कर रहा हूँ. ये आ रही है. मैं गाना सुना और मेरे को एक feeling आ रही है कि मैं कुछ देख रहा हूँ. So एक picture आता है दिमाग में. There's no voices, there's no plan. I'm not a very planned person. I'm not a very clever person. I don't have like set goals. मेरे सारे feelings के साथ जाता है. अभी कल रात में मैं आपको वही बोल रहा हूँ. एक गाना सुना था जो मेरे को बहुत पसंद था. And I said यार, मैंने 3-4 गाने में कितने ideas सोचे, अच्छे ideas सोचे. What about this one? Let's try. I like this song. I just closed my eyes and I just felt something and I said, oh, it's in a waiting room. And that's how I made the entire music in my head, the concept in my head. So I'm not very planned. It's all feelings for me. Like if I feel something, if I feel something, then yeah, it's going to happen.
That's great. That's great. Okay, Adnan, I have 21 questions for you. Very small, short questions. It's a kind of rapid fire, and like few was like your favorite things. Few I have trivia about you. Okay, and 4-5
Let's do.
questions.
I like it. Don't tell me. I'm very excited. Chalo, I like it.
Sorry.
I like rapid fire.
Excited, no?
I like that.
Okay.
Very
Okay.
chalo, chalo.
Done. So let's start it. Okay. 3 words about Adnan.
3 words about Adnan.
Yeah.
A donkey, uh, somewhat decent heart, and definitely an anger problem.
Okay. Favorite show?
That's such a hard question to a film buff. Uh, I go with Chernobyl.
Okay.
Yeah.
Favorite
Because they didn't mess it up.
actor?
Because it was only. Yeah. Sorry, favorite
Okay.
actor.
So,
Favorite
favorite
actor.
actor?
Daniel Day-Lewis.
Okay. Favorite street food? Street food.
Vada pav.
कितने बार
I
खाते हैं आप
love good
हफ्ते
vada
में?
pav. I've stopped eating, but my record has been 11 vada pavs in one go. I love vada pav. I love.
Oh my God, it's too much.
I love
Okay,
vada pav.
favorite place? Favorite local place in Mumbai? Local place. Like Juhu, Marine Drive, Girgaon Chowpatty, Varli type.
To be BKC. Because it reminds me a lot of
I'm sorry?
Dubai's BKC.
Big. Okay.
BKC. Yeah, there's couple of restaurants
Okay.
there. I really like I like the vibe of it.
Okay. Who is your inspiration?
Cristiano Ronaldo.
Oh, that's
and Conor
great.
McGregor. Not Conor अभी नहीं because see Cristiano Ronaldo का मेहनत से talent है but मेहनत से आगे बढ़ा है. You can see the hard work. Everyone talks about it. So that's a good news. That's good news for someone like me who's not gifted. Like I'm not a miracle of acting or writing or direction, but I know I'm hardworking. So yeah, if Ronaldo can do it, then maybe one day I can too.
That's great. Do you love traveling? Of course, yes.
Yeah. I don't love it. I like it. I like travel. It's not
Okay,
something
so
like
favorite destination?
Right now it's Indonesia. I love Indonesian people, man. I love
Sorry?
Indonesian people. I love
Indonesian. Yeah.
I love the food. I love
I get.
Indonesian food. I love Indonesian food. It's really good. And the people
There are
have you met
many fans from Indonesia.
They're crazy, dude.
There are
Have you met
many.
Indonesian
I
people?
saw. Yeah.
I promise you, they're
No.
the best human beings on the planet. I have not met such gentle. And chalo, okay, leave the people that were taking care of me for my events and all of that. Leave them out.
Huh.
Before I became famous, I'd gone to Bali 2 years before I became famous, and I remember meeting them,
Okay.
the people there, and I was like, man, are these people like some of the best people I've ever met? Because their hearts are so positive. You know, you can sense vibes. आपको समझ में आ जाता है सामने वाला अगर काम की तरह कर रहा है या are they genuinely listening? And Indonesian people genuinely are like some sweetest people I know, man. It's so sweet. Yeah.
Oh my God. I hope आपके Indonesian fans बहुत खुश हो गए होंगे because I saw there were many messages.
Yeah. So I think one of my friends from Indonesia said hello. Hi, Isha.
Yeah.
I don't know. Yeah, she said hi, right? She's one of the biggest examples of how nice someone is Isha. You should meet Isha. I don't know if you say anything anymore. She's this giant teddy bear who's literally a teddy bear. She's the sweetest thing on the planet. Yeah. Very sweet.
Oh,
अगर कभी
so
आप ईशा
sweet.
से my co-star ईशा से बात करो ना तो ask her about Indonesia.
मैं करने वाली हूँ थोड़े टाइम में ईशा के साथ भी लाइव जाने वाले हैं हम लोग.
Ask her about it.
So okay, your favorite book?
Khalid Hussain. All three of them. The Kite Runner, The Mountains Echoed, Thousand Splendid Suns, and The Mountains Echoed.
Favorite song?
Favorite song?
कोई एक नहीं होगा, I'm sure.
Dil Se. A.R. Rahman वाला Dil Se. I love that. One of my favorite songs. Coldplay का है there is this Viking soundtrack which I really like. I like all different kinds of music. मेरा बहुत अतरंगी ऐसे बहुत अजीब है. Massive Attack, Angel, I love. सब अलग अलग है.
हाँ. Okay. Favorite Bollywood movie?
Ramleela and Dil Se.
ओके नाइस. ओके मेरे पास अब कुछ क्वेश्चंस हैं, 4-5 क्वेश्चंस हैं जिनमें मैंने आपके मूवीज शोज को थोड़ा सा ट्विस्ट करके मैं क्वेश्चंस पूछूंगी. इट्स अ काइंड ऑफ ट्रिविया. और पहले फैंस को आंसर्स देने होंगे. विल वेट फॉर फ्यू सेकंड एंड देन यू कैन आंसर.
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I was
Okay.
reading something. Can you say that again? What were you saying? अभी आपने क्या
So
कहा?
I'll ask the मैं क्वेश्चन पूछूंगी और उसका आंसर आपकी मूवी आपका शो उसमें से रहेगा. सो विल वेट फॉर फ्यू सेकेंड्स. विल वेट फॉर फैंस कि अगर उनको वो आंसर पता है या नहीं, एंड देन यू कैन आंसर. ओके ओके. सो आई एम स्टार्टिंग. जो कभी कहा ही नहीं गया, शो का नाम क्या था? जो कभी कहा ही नहीं गया. इंग्लिश था. Something not said.
Persons. I don't understand. जो कभी कहा ही नहीं गया.
The unsaid.
I don't know. I'm sorry.
The unsaid. The unsaid. Unsaid.
The
It was
No,
your
I've
movie,
seen-
if I'm not wrong.
from my short film. Oh.
The
That's
unsaid.
a short film.
Yeah.
That's not a TV show. Yeah. I was just thinking The Unsaid. So I wrote a.
Yeah. I told
No,
you
that's right,
it will be
sorry.
combination of everything.
Oh. Okay. My bad. Next one. Okay, I'm ready. Chalo, next one. Now I know. सारी चीजें
Okay.
देख.
It's so easy. I'll tell you, it's so easy. ट्रिपल तलाक से जुड़ा था ये शो.
मुझे नहीं पता ये कौन सा शो हो सकता है. ऐसा कौन
What?
सा शो है जो ट्रिपल तलाक से जुड़ा था.
मुझे भी नहीं पता. Let's then इश्क
Forward,
मान
next
अल्लाह.
question. Next question, please.
आंसर मिल गया है. फैंस ने आंसर दे दिया है. ओके.
हाँ.
ये भड़ास अनलिमिटेड थी. जो आपकी भड़ास थी वो
इंजीनियर की
अनलिमिटेड थी.
भड़ास. इंजीनियर की भड़ास.
पूरा तो बता दो. सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर की भड़ास अनलिमिटेड.
ऐसी कुछ था. Sorry.
ओके. प्यार सच्चा था कहानियों में. प्यार सच्चा था कहानियों में. मुझे ये नहीं पता ये शॉर्ट फिल्म है, वेब सीरीज है, मूवी है, शो है. You'll have to guess.
प्यार सच्चा था कहानियों में.
कहानियों में. हाँ.
The love was true in stories.
Don't translate.
Hey guys, can you help me यार? कुछ लिख रहा है क्या? लमाओ YouTube पे dude. No, I'm sorry यार. So bad.
Story about true love. Story about true love.
ये मैंने किया. I don't remember.
अब भैया गूगल तो यही दिखा रहा है. गूगल तो यही दिखा रहा है.
मेरे चेक करना पड़ेगा यार. This is so bad. Jesus Christ. Oh my God.
You want me to
Twist वाला
check?
था. Somebody said, yeah.
Twist वाला. It was in 2015. Story about true love.
Twist वाला
Not
love. It was
twist
twist
वाला
वाला
love,
love, right? Then
अच्छा, but it's written the story about true love.
I don't know. Okay, I'm confused. ये तो मैं अपने करियर को बर्बाद कर रहा
अच्छा,
हूँ.
चलो.
आगे. My God.
Okay, the last one. किसी को चोरी से उठा ले जाना. किसी को चोरी से उठा ले जाना. मतलब आजकल रामायण चल रहा है, उसमें रावण ने सीता को उठा ले गया, तो what that called?
This would have to be friends conditions apply. Yeah. किडनैप किया था उसको क्या?
किडनैप ही किया था।
फिर ये कौन सा है यार?
Don't tell me that you don't know. I can see kidnapped in 2016.
नहीं, I have not done anything called kidnap.
Oh, it's there. I
Oh, I
don't know then
have
how.
these small clips, these small YouTube वाले clips.
भाई हमको नहीं पता. It's there on Google and you have done it.
Guys are amazing. And my friend Sharad is making fun of me. Sharad, stop it. Shit. So bad.
So, 3 cheers for my research. Thank you.
It's amazing. यार, मैंने अपने करियर को बर्बाद कर दिया. एक चीज में इस सुभान अल्लाह बोला सर. Yeah.
वो भी बहुत सिंपल मैंने रखा था तब बोल दिया.
I swear. Can't you?
अभी इतना
movie trivia. Ask me about Hollywood movies. Ask me about. Yeah. No, that's bad.
So-
I'm so sorry. I should have known.
अरे इट्स ओके. ओके, अब हम ना फैंस के क्वेश्चंस लेंगे. 5-6 क्वेश्चंस मैंने फैंस के भी लिए हैं. ओके. जब आप कंटेंट लिखते हैं तो ऑडियंस को माइंड में रख के लिखते हैं या फिर जो आपका मूड होता है वैसे लिखते हो?
अभी जो मैं लिख रहा हूँ, which is the best writing I've ever done, is किसी को दिमाग में नहीं रखता. I write what makes me happy.
Okay. Tell us about your crazy memories. Something craziest have you done?
Oh yeah, man. There's some crazy stuff. I remember. Okay, so I don't know. Just imagine this instance. Okay, I'll tell you this story. This is pretty cool, yeah. So मैं कसोल गया था.
Okay.
And Kasol is a very dark place. Okay, I didn't like the vibe there. थोड़ा सा vibe उधर अजीब थी. It was a very glum vibe in a बहुत. Everything was like that, and you know people would watch you and everything. So, anyways, we were there for a day. हम लोग गए एक hotel में. We checked it, and then we went out for dinner. Kasol में एक जगह है जहाँ पर Indians को allowed. Imagine. So this kind of stuff goes on in Kasol. You know, there's a restaurant which they don't allow in. They don't serve you.
Okay.
और ये सब चल रहा था दिमाग में. Anyways, we went out to another place for dinner. We come back and we're sitting in the hotel. I remember. So मैं तभी शीशा पीता था back in the day. So I set up my shisha. My friends got their cigarettes. One of my friends smokes midwak, which is an Arabic tobacco. Okay, it's like a
Okay.
pipe. We were sitting chilling, and Kasol बहुत cold है. So it's very nice, very beautiful, and it was really dark, right? So I'm sitting here, where I'm sitting here. Someone's sitting here next to me, and इधर यहाँ पर ये facing कोई खड़ा है मेरे. तो मैं अपने दोस्त को देखा, and he's staring at the other balcony. I can't see what he's staring at, and he's staring like there's something there. And after 2 seconds, he looks back at me. I said, "What happened?" He said, "No, nothing." I said, "Okay, nothing." Talking. 20 minutes later, there's a knock on the door.
Okay.
होटल में कोई नहीं है. अंधेरा है होटल. सिर्फ we were the only people checking into this hotel. We open, like I go open the door, and there's this guy with curly hair, looking weird as fuck. Sorry, weird as pink, whatever. And yeah, he's like, "I know what you're doing." I looked at him and said, "What do you mean?" He said, "I'll call the cops." I said, "Nobody was doing anything." He said, "I'm the hotel owner." I said, "Okay, so," and he just walks into my room.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm like, "Wait, should I fight with him? He's a hotel owner. What?" Imagine you're in a hotel and somebody walks in, random stranger in this weird looking place. For the next 3 hours, the man didn't leave. He was drunk. Okay, and he kept telling my friends that I saw this boy. He saw me walking, and I looked lonely. तो वो मेरे को दोस्ती देने आया. And for 3 hours, so मैं आपको बोलता हूँ 3 घंटे मैंने उसको सहा. It's really drunk, yeah. So and I know how to handle drunk people. I've been around a lot of drunk people in my life. So कुछ भी करके बहुत politely इसको ना उसकी बातें सुनते गया. दरवाजे तक लेके गया. दरवाजा खोला. वो फिर भी बोले जा रहा है. "Hi, my name is Prem," and he keeps repeating the same thing. 3 hours later, I'm at the bloody door, and his friend comes in, and these two again go back in. I said, "Fuck this, I'm sleeping." I went and pretended to be asleep for the rest of the night. My two friends who didn't help me do all this, they got stuck with him for 4 hours. So मैं अपने bed पे ऐसे सो रहा हूँ, pretending to be asleep, ऐसा सो रहा, I can see sitting in the balcony, so a random stranger, which is actually very cool. But अभी हम लोग को हंसी आती, but तभी फट रही थी कि सच में होटल ओनर है. Am I supposed to like how do you deal with this situation? You know what I mean? So it was really funny.
Okay. सो फ्यूचर में रियलिटी शो में पार्टिसिपेट करेंगे लाइक खतरों के खिलाड़ी और बिग
I hope
बॉस?
not. I hope not. Nothing against them. Big Boss. I'm not a fan of Big Boss. I don't understand the concept. Khatron ke Khiladi. I love stunts. I love stunts. I'm a crazy guy about it. I wouldn't mind doing that, but I'd rather focus on personally acting gigs, writing gigs, and बहुत सारे काम हैं यार. So yeah, I've got a lot of things. Let's see. I hope I don't have to go down that reality.
ओके. इस लॉकडाउन में ईशा को कितना मिस कर रहे हैं? वो अपने होम टाउन में है. ये किसी फैन को जानना है कि आप ईशा को लॉकडाउन में कितना मिस कर रहे हैं.
ईशा कौन?
सिंह,
ईशा सिंह कौन है?
आपके को स्टार
Tanisha?
थी.
Yeah, Tanisha is
Isha.
a good person. Who's Isha? I don't know any Isha.
ओके, यू डोंट नो ईशा. ओके. लॉकडाउन ओपन होने के बाद सबसे पहले क्या करेंगे? आई गॉट इट. या.
What do you think I'm going to do?
I don't know. Must be shooting.
Yeah, most probably we'll resume back to shoot. But if you ask me, I'd like to go to the gym.
Oh, that's great. Okay, last one. Long drive with loud music, alone in car, or a bike ride with your lady love?
Considering I don't think bikes are safe, I'd like to go on a car drive alone or with my lady love. अगर bike पे जाना है, I'd rather go on a bike alone. Because at least I'm not afraid of someone behind me. I can do whatever I want. Yeah, so I'd like to go on a bike ride alone, and I'd like to go on a car drive with lady love.
Oh wow, दोनों आंसर्स मिल गए. That's great, अदनान. बहुत मजा आया आपके साथ बात करने का. सीरियसली बता रही हूँ, अब तक का I mentioned earlier also सबसे honest life था ये. And we laughed actually.
अरे यार, क्योंकि सब Instagram पे माँ की आँख सब workout videos post कर रहे हैं, and they're looking so amazing, man. The girls, the guys, like, you know, you've got like all this stuff. You will laugh if you see how I'm working out. I've got almost everything done. इतने घर के नुस्खे निकाला मैं. आपको पता है? Okay, मैं एक छोटी सी बात बताता हूँ.
जी बिल्कुल.
Bench, you know bench ना, हम लोग bench मारते हैं chest के लिए.
हाँ बिल्कुल.
मेरे पास सिर्फ डंबल्स है. बेंच तो है नहीं घर पे, कोई बेंच जैसी चीज नहीं है. मैं आपको दिखा दूं मैं बेंच किसका बनाया. So this.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, because I worked out for 2 weeks. Like, I'm doing crazy things at home, man. It's so weird. Like, I keep my chest on that, my legs on the ground, and I'm just really working out. And you see, like, what is wrong with this man? But yeah, just like, I love doing what I do. But people post videos, yeah. It looks like they're such professionals and they're wonderful. And I'm like, why do I look like such a doofus? So I said, screw it, I'm not posting anything about what I'm doing. So, yeah, I'm doing what I'm doing.
Okay, no problem. So, जाते जाते fans को कुछ कहना चाहेंगे? You want to say something?
No more coming live. Tell
Why?
Because I purely did this for them. I have no intention. Personally, I'm someone who likes. I don't like the spotlight that much. I know I'm an actor. I know all of that, but yeah, I like being myself. But I don't have to care about how I'm looking like. What am I saying? I don't have to care so much. Yeah, from those weirdos. So yeah. So no more coming live for a while, guys. Say hi to Indonesia. Hi, Indonesia. I said hi to Indonesia. Thank you for having me, but really sweet of you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And we'll go on live again after a short break, maybe 10-15 days. है ना?
Bye,
Okay,
darling. It was a
okay.
pleasure speaking to you.
Bye.
Take care
Bye.
of yourself and your children. Bye. Bye.
Thanks. Take care. Bye. Bye.